Hey guys, it's me. It's raining today, so you can hear it. So you want it damaged or not? Because the sword, the giveaway sword, and you can have it any kind you want. Sorry, my bad. So you can have it any kind you want. Look, this is my dogs. These are my dogs. You can see them. These are my dogs. They're raining a lot of times. It's raining, and you can see it. You can't see it. It's raining a lot. And you can see it. I mean, it's all covered. Look at this. Look all the way over there. If we see a clown right now, so we're dead. Or I hit him with a bat with this. Oh, I just hit him, or I just knifed him. I don't know. We have a lot of knives. We're not even kidding. Look, it's raining a lot. And a clown comes outside. Oh my God, how big is ass with a sword. With the sword. Oh, we're damaged. I have to still beat him. Look, it's a big ball of chunk. Like a chunk. Oh my. So.
Close the door and lock it.
Why?
Lock it.
Wait. Is the challenge you? Wait, I just have to close it. Yes. So my sister's really scared.
No, I'm not.
And she's telling me to lock it because you're scared.
Why are you even taping yourself? That's stupid.
No, it's my YouTube channel. So, it can't come out. So, it was so far away, a guy got him. It was a little kid outside and playing with the mud. So, he was playing to the puddles, and then a clown got him, then killed him, or do things to him. And he took off all his kidney off, and he took away his heart. You're not even kidding. So, bye. Yeah.
Why do you end up with
Yeah, man. Hello, guys.